Hi there, I'm Chef Melba Nunis. I'm Malacca Portuguese and I actually specialize in Kristang cuisine. Today I'm going to show you a very simple recipe of kaya. I'm sure all of you know what kaya is, but mine is a very home-style recipe. I'm going to start by breaking the eggs one by one. For my recipe, I only use egg yolks. Just yolks and just santan and sugar. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to put the sugar in now. And for santan as well. Back in the old days, we didn't have creamy santan like this. You just got to mix it like this. So I'll just transfer this into the Pyrex dish. We are going to steam this for at least 30 minutes to 40 minutes. Now we're on to making our pulut. Normally serve pulut and kaya. The pulut has to be soaked maybe for 4 hours at least. I steam it with santan and a little bit of salt. The pulut is on a banana leaf. A pandan goes in. The steaming will also take about 20 minutes to half an hour at least. I'm going to check on my kaya now. So, to give it a stir. If you look at the kaya, it's a little bit lumpy already. Pulut is ready, it's nicely steamed. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of blue color, the color from this flour. You put a little bit of hot water into that flour, you get it like this. Just drizzle a little bit here and there. When I serve it for tea or as a dessert, I normally dish it out like this.